Natto Avocado Rice Bowl and Donburi Revolution recipe. That's something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of Live Wiser, Not Smarter. Now, in the last video, I shared with you about Donburi Revolution. Donburis are rice bowls, like a big bowl of rice in Japan, and donburis are very popular. We have many different kind of donburi. But the problem of regular donburis is that it has a lot of carbs. But there's a way to change it. That is to change white rice with Koso Genmai, fermented brown rice, and making Koso Genmai donburi. And that is what I call donburi revolution. So from today, I'll be sharing with you some recipes of making Koso Genmai donburi. Now, first of all, you can use regular donburi with Koso Genmai, such as gyudon, katsudon, oyakodon, and tendon. You just change white rice with Koso Genmai. That is possible. But since you are using Koso Genmai, which is incredibly healthy, you might as well use healthier ingredients on top. Now, when you think about healthy ingredient, there is nothing better than Ikigai Don that I shared with you before. This is the best dish. However, Ikigai Don is a little complicated because, I use so many different ingredients and you may not want to do that much. Sometimes it takes time to do that and you don't have enough time and you want to make something simpler. So that's something I'll be sharing with you today. By the way, the details of Ikigai Don, please watch my other videos, the Ikigai Power Bowl, the ultimate health fun boosting dish, and how to make the Ikigai Power Bowl. But today, I'll share with you how to make Natto Avocado Don. So please watch the video until the end. Thank you. Now, those of you who just discovered this video today, this is the Ikigai Diet channel, which is a health and longevity channel. We usually cover things like diet, exercise, mindset, and sometimes we cover Japanese blue zones because there are several blue zones in Japan other than Okinawa. We cover from traditional Japanese health method to modern Japanese health trends such as chokatsu. So basically, this is a channel about how to increase health span, especially for people over 50 or 60. So if you're interested, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Now, so we're using avocado, and you all know about the health benefits of avocado, right? Avocado is known for superfood. Now, but let's go through some seven basic health benefits of avocado. So here are the 7 health benefits. 1, excellent source of nutrient. 2, beneficial for gut health. 3, may help reduce heart disease risk factors. 4, a rich source of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. 5, may help promote a healthy body weight. 6, a smart choice during pregnancy and breastfeeding. 7, versatile and delicious ingredient. For details, please visit the Healthline website. The title is 7 Potential Health Benefits of Avocado. And natto, you know about natto too, right? Because I talk about natto all the time. But in case for those of you who don't know, natto is rich in protein, and natto is rich in vitamin K2, which can support your bone health. And it has natto kinase, which can support your blood circulation and heart health in general. And natto bacteria, which is wonderful, your gut health. And spermidine, which can activate autophagy, the cellular recycling mechanism that we need for longevity. And we have Koso Genmai, fermented brown rice. Now, how to make Koso Genmai? Please watch my other video, how to make Koso Genmai fermented brown rice. So this dish has natto, avocado, and Koso Genmai. It is a superfood mashup. And it's not only the mashup of different health benefit, but it's a greatly nutritious food because natto has protein, avocado has fat, and Koso Genmai has carb. So protein, fat, and carb. These are three main types of nutrient. So in many ways, this dish is super nutritious. Now, I'll share with you how to make one. Okay, now I will share with you how to make natto avocado don. So what you need to make one, first of all, you need avocado. So you want to cut avocado into pieces like that, like blocks like that. And then you need natto, a pack of natto. If you have homemade natto, you can use your homemade natto. If you don't have, please use a package like this. And then remember, you need to take natto out of the fridge 20 minutes before you eat it, right? And then we need olive oil, hemp seed or sesame seed, any kind of seed are okay, and sliced nori, then soy sauce. Okay, so, and then of course you need a donburi bowl. First, you pour olive oil on avocados. Like that. Then you mix avocados with olive oil. You mix them well, like that. Then you need to prepare natto. So you have a natto. So you open a package. And then inside you find sauce and mustard, but you don't need them, so you take them out. And then you take these plastic things off. And you want to mix natto many times. You want to keep stirring natto a lot, maybe 50 times, and if you can, do it about 100 times. More you stir the natto, the more umami flavor you can create. And then after mixing natto, you may want to pour a little bit of soy sauce over them so that natto becomes softer and you feel the stickiness of natto more. Right, good. And then, so we have the hemp seed, and you want to pour soy sauce over it. Maybe this much. This will become the sauce of your donburi. You want to pour soy sauce as much as you like the sauce to be. You want to stir the hemp seeds and soy sauce. If you like, you can add wasabi if you have one, but if you don't have one, then don't worry about it. Next, you want to serve Koso Genmai into the donburi bowl. Just like that. So this Koso Genmai is a special Koso Genmai because I cooked brown rice with barley and azuki bean. Usually you
you cook brown rice with azuki beans and salt to make Koso Genmai. But this time I put barley as well, so it's very fiber rich. Barley, brown rice, and azuki beans, which becomes even better for butyrate-producing bacteria, because both barley and brown rice are fantastic for butyrate-producing bacteria in the gut. So now you put avocado on the rice, like that. Then natto on top. Like that. You see? And then you want to put nori over it. Like that. And finally, the sauce, which is mixture of soy sauce and hemp seed over the donburi. That's it. This is Natto Avocado Koso Genmai donburi. Alright, so I'll try it. You can again mix everything, but I kind of like to sort of keep the style, so I'll just eat like this. Very delicious. Okay, that's it for today. Now, if you're interested in other recipes using natto and avocado, I've got natto avocado toast recipe in my book, Natto Unleashed. And it's got so many other recipes using natto. Not so much about donburi, but using natto. Right, so thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya, the author of Live Wiser, Not Smarter. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to the channel. And please leave your comment. Have you ever had natto avocado donburi? Thank you. Well, I will see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai!